This is a simple and fast review of the Pamapic 2-seater faux fur beanbag sofa. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So once you get out of the box, it comes pretty standard stuff. There is instructions on kind of how to make sure that you get it open. You will need to kind of remove that. Got a secondary one here. From there, you're just going to want to make sure that you get this kind of open, and you'll see kind of this little package here. What I would suggest is you very carefully use a pair of scissors. I'm not going to use my knife here to just do this, and I'm going to slowly open it. There should be kind of some excess plastic that you can work with to start to find a seam. I'm going to use the top here and try and cut it open. Just be careful how you do it. As we get through. And then you'll find the real package. And that's the key, is once you get this open, it's going to start to inflate on you. And from there, you'll need to kind of shake it, get the beanbag portion moving. So once you start cutting, you'll start to see it begin to expand, but more importantly, you'll have an easier way of getting to the plastic. And I'm just going to open this up, flip it over. Now I'm going to give this thing like about 24 hours to fully expand, but it really is only going to take a few minutes, frankly. And as mentioned, you're just going to want to shake it a little bit to get it open. And let it get loose, and let air, kind of soak in. So I'll back it out a little bit. So we'll just go ahead and continue to let this inflate, and I'll come back. But I always try and give it about a day, but usually within minutes to a couple hours is fully good to go. All right, so this thing is super comfortable. First of all, it's a really nice soft feel to it. It's plenty spongy. The only, I guess, complaint would be that it's low to the ground, but to me it actually fits the space perfectly for us. I am taller, it's not meant for me, but even so, it's just a little bit difficult to get down if you're over 50, but it's a very comfortable little 2-seater that works great in a lot of different spaces. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thank you for watching.